My name's Ant McKay and I studied Auslan at Melbourne Polytechnic. My passion for sign language and Auslan started many years ago. I grew up watching, Sunday morning TV where you had interpreters on the telly, Boy Scouts where they would teach you the alphabet and that kind of thing. So it was kind of on my radar. And then my grandmother got age-related deafblindness, and I started to see the barriers she faced in hospital and in care homes where she lost her hearing and started being done to and didn't have communication. So that ignited a passion for deafblindness. When I moved to Australia, I needed a more full-time course, so Melbourne Polytechnic offered me that. The course was great because it was delivered by native Auslan users, and they gave you so much. They didn't just teach you signs and teach you lexical signs and teach you linguistics. They really opened themselves up and shared their lives and their journey and their story. For some reason, I have this inside burning fire of equity and advocacy. If I see anything and I'm like, well, why can't you do what I'm doing? Then I'm drawn to wanting to try and support somebody or become an ally for someone to try and break that barrier down, really.